Hello everybody, it's Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk and today I'm going to share this with you, and it is the Mixed Medallions card kit. Now I haven't opened this, so I'm doing this just the same as anybody else that receives this in their goodies, in their parcel, and this is one of the celebration freebies that you can add to your order if you spend £45 or more from the 3rd of January until the end of March. And this is a card kit. So let's have a look. It says inside, I think it does 8 cards. I think it's 8. I believe it was. I believe it's 8. So let's have a look what's inside and see what we're getting. I mean, it's totally free, and it's always good to have something on hand that you can just whip up some quick cards. I send them to my team, I send them to customers, and sometimes, you know, it's good to have some things that are just done there, ready, and nice and convenient. Right, so we've got some envelopes, so let's count the nice ones as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there's 8 envelopes, so I should imagine it makes 8 cards, so that's not bad. We've got these little, I believe they are sticky dots. Are they? Yeah, I think they are. Sticky dots. And we've got these pre-done card fronts. Let's have a look. And we've got some in the, it looks like crumb cake and berry burst maybe. Yeah, I think. Not sure. I should have looked in the catalogue. But we've got all of these. Let's have a look. Here we go. We've even got a little instruction booklet to go with it, so it shows you how to do it. So there we go. So the gate folds are at the side and then the flap folds over. Let's have a look. Your kit includes card bases, white envelopes, die cuts, adhesive dots. Yes. So there we go. Yes, I was right. It is Berry Burst. Oh, it's Sahara Sand, not the other one. Berry Burst, Calypso Coral, Sahara Sand and Whisper White. So you can stamp a sentiment on the inside of your card if you like, and then just build up your cards as we go. So we'll just build a few up, and then I might pause and go and look for a really nice sentiment to nip inside it. So here's your little die cut sheet. You've got some little flowers. They just pop out. Let's have a look. Oh, aren't they cute? So they just pop out like so. And we've got them in various colours. We have got some sentiments already for the front. I'll have a congratulations one because I've got quite a few birthday cards to send out to some of my customers. We've got thank you, mercy and danke. So, you know, this is in 3 languages as well, which is good. We've got these little scalloped cutouts as well, which you can layer those up on like so. So that's really cool. So let's just really quickly and really simply put one of these together. I'll just move those to one side for a moment. And I think I fancy this one, which is a Berry Burst one. And then what I may well do is, after I've done filming, I might make a fair few up, and then you can see them in the thumbnail. So it goes like this, like an upside down letter T, and this bit folds in, I believe. Okay. And then these fold from each side inwards. So everything's already cut for you. You don't need, you know, a trimmer or a scorer or anything. I'm going to use my bone folder. You don't even have to have a bone folder. You can use the side of a pencil. So everything's here for you. Die cuts, words are already done. You don't even have to do anything. You could just write in there. And these would be nice as little note cards as well. You know, to write. Rather than a specific, say, birthday card or something, you could have them as little note cards. That would be nice, you know, and write your letter to your friend or your relative in there. That would be really nice. So let's have a look. So I'm going to just bob that over there like so, I think. So let's have a look at these sticky dots. Let me get my perky tool, otherwise I'll struggle, as I often do. Okay, so I want it across the middle, so I'm going to put my dot in the middle so I know it is in the middle. Okay, and then just peel off the backing, nice and easy, and I can then just really quickly stick my congratulations in the middle like so. Oh, it's a bit lopsided, is that? Like so. Okay, or you could have had it the other way, like that. Don't know why I've gone right to left. And then inside here we can stamp a lovely sentiment. So let me just go and grab something. One moment. Okay, so the set that I've chosen to decorate it with is another celebration freebie, and it's called Happy Wishes. This is a level 2 freebie, which means you spend £90 to get one of these because it's a double set. Stunning, I'm loving it. So I'm going to use the large Happy and I'm going to stamp it on here. So I'm mixing and matching my freebies. I'm going to use basic black, and it's going to stamp really nicely and be really, really good and well behaved. So let me just get that stamp on the right way up, which is that way. Put it on a block. So there we go. Let me just move some of this out of the way a moment and get this lined up on my grid paper. So I don't want it to be wonky. And then I'll ink up my stamp carefully without rocking my camera. I'm just going to practice stamp because that's what I just have to do. It just tells me in my head that that is fairly straight. I could have stamped it in Berry Burst, but for some reason I've just gone for black. So there we go, plenty on. And I'm just going to put it kind of central, give it a nice press. And there we go, that's lovely, really pretty. Could go back in later with some alcohol markers, colour those little flowers in. So that's that bit. And then on the inside I'm just going to simply use the other stamp that I did mount, there it is. And this one says birthday and it's here. And this is a really good set because you've got so many sentiments. I'm going to be using it an awful lot. So let me just see if I've got that the right way up. Yes, I have. So inside here I'm just going to put birthday, and I'm going to put that quite central. Still gives me room to write inside, and that's pretty. Oh, I've got a bit of ink on my block there, not to worry. And then what I can do is I can use these little embellishments. Let's have a look what we've got. I'm going to put some little flowers on my card, so let me just pop some out. Got some white. I think I'll have a little bit of all of them and scatter them about. I think that'll look really pretty. If I can just, they pop out quite easily, not difficult. Do I want another one? Yes, I'll have a larger one as well. There we go. Okay, right. Let's get busy with the fizzer and just popping out those little centerpieces. And that one. Might put that on the other side because it's not going to show on that white, is it? I'm just popping out the little centres. And I can use my little adhesive dots to stick them on. Peel that off. Get off. And you can just dot them about the inside of your card. I think they're really cute. And for a freebie, you can't really go wrong, and it's really easy. Very, very easy to put together. Have that one as well. And obviously, you know, you can add things, you can just use just the kit, or you can add other things to them as well from your Stampin' Up stash, as it were. You know, you could add some different stamping. You could put some ribbon on, you can add some gems, loads and loads of things you can do. I'm just going to leave that like so. Or do I want another one just up there? I don't know. I don't like that one there. Will that come off? Yeah, don't like it there now. I just want to put it a bit further up. And then lift that down. We've got happy birthday, so I'll stick a few on here as well. I've got the little white ones. They're cute, aren't they? Let's have a few of them on. Just trying to get this backing off. I'll have one there. I think I want another one. Let me have a look. Yeah, I do. I want another little white one. So these are quite fun, and you can put some cards together in next to no time. So while you're looking for which freebie you're going to get, you know, this one might be worth a look. I know I've got quite a few so that I can very quickly have cards to hand. Much as I love designing individual cards, sometimes you might be under pressure and you need a fair few and you need them quickly. So there we go. We've got a really pretty birthday card there, and then that just goes straight in the envelope like so. And you know, you're done. You're good to go. Let's have a look what's on here. I might stamp happy again on here. Just down there. Why not? I do like this stamp. Let's see if it'll stamp nicely. I better take my card out first so that I've got a flat surface. I nearly caught myself out there then. So that, you know, then you can decorate your envelopes as well. In fact, I'm going to put it on the flap. I'm going to put it on there. Happy. There we go. Oh, I think that's really pretty. I'm really happy with that. I mean, you could put some DSP on the envelopes, jazz it up a bit, or leave it just as it is. And that is going to go in my little stash for ready-made birthday cards. And there we go. So that is the Medallions. What's its proper name? Mixed Medallions card kit. I think that's really awesome. And there are some more examples on the front there of how you can make them as well. And they've put the little flowers on the front there. So I hope you like that. I hope you'll give it a try. I hope you will add it to your next order. And have some fun. Thanks for watching.